My name is Harjit Bajaj, founder and CEO of Savormetrics. Have you ever been in a situation where you've had a avocado that you bought from the supermarket and you placed it in your fridge, and 5 days later it never ripened? Or you bought red delicious apples and you brought them home and bit into them. They were anything but that. Or bananas that you bought that were perfectly yellow, but by the time you got home and took them out of the trunk, they started spotting. This is an issue that is faced by consumers and also the food and ag businesses as well. So I'm talking about growers, distributors, processors, and retailers not having a good sense of the shelf life or the quality of the food product that they're moving through the supply chain. Due to this poor ability to do quality assurance and quality control, food and ag businesses lose about 15 to 20% of their inventory. That's a major, major hit. The ability to provide real-time quality assurance, quality control, such that these businesses have metrics like shelf life or quality drift or contaminant detection provided to them with a touch of a button, and they can make a smart procurement, inventory movement, or processing decisions. That is a $60 billion market opportunity that remains mainly untapped. Now, enter Savormetrics. We've got a solution in place that these various different members of the food supply chain are using today. We provide them with sensors, either they're inline or tabletop or handheld. And the data that we pull from the food item itself, these sensors will capture the biochemical and biophysical features from the food item. They will send it to our AI framework called Dr. Sam in the cloud. Dr. Sam then correlates those chemical and physical features into insights, meaningful insights like shelf life and quality drift or identifying contaminants, those sort of elements. The output of that then is presented on a screen to the customer. In doing so, we're able to help reduce the amount of inventory loss by up to 70%, which is a major savings for these companies, many of whom operate on a very small 1% profit margin. Our business model is very simple. $5,000 to $25,000 per year in subscription fee model, 5-year opt-out. Depending on the customer, we like to make sure that they have a 3-month payback period, and our prices range within this level. Our go-to-market strategy has been, up until now, based on word of mouth or being part of certain strategic initiatives that gave us that pull demand. And we've done very well with being cash flow positive and profitable right from year one and have generated significant revenue. Going forward, we've established meaningful partnerships with industry leaders that are going to become our distributors. We have significant competitive advantage compared to our competitors. You see the 7 different attributes on the top there. The device had to be ultra affordable, non-destructive, real-time in situ results, no chemical prep, 6-month payback or less, predictive. The metric should be predictive, not just detect, tell us before it happens, accurate and precise. We didn't guess these, we asked them, and we built our devices to address these. Lab tests can't do that. Near-infrared devices can't do that, and definitely manual inspection can't. And believe it or not, most of the members of this within this industry have a lot of high turnover staff that are touching, feeling, squeezing, smelling inventory and making decisions on billions of dollars worth of inventory that way. So it's no wonder that they lose so much in inventory, 15 to 20% of their inventory. We're really proud to be a social enterprise, one that balances financial ROI, we are for profit, with social ROI metrics at our board level. We like to monitor and assess how much of an impact we're making on a reduction in GHGs, reduction in usage of water, and also on human health as well. And because of this, we have won quite a number of awards, recognized by Sustainable Development Technology Canada, for our ability to reduce the amount of energy required by food processors by using our QA/QC devices. Top 20 startups in Canada, CX20, deep tech pioneers out of 5,000 companies. Startup of the year, I'll stop bragging. Our senior management team is presented here, but it really doesn't do our team a service. We've got a very small but very powerful team of experts that have built systems, AI systems in their previous lives that are in space or are being used in the medical industry. So a very powerful team. And our ask is $10 million in this next round that we're raising in the next 3 to 6 months. Half of it we've secured as non-dilutive, and we also have our current investor, which is they're the 3rd largest software company in the world, very aggressive in the food sector, that will also invest. And we're looking now to see if we can find other non-dilutive and dilutive options to round this out. We're very interested in the Michigan area. That's where we're going to now grow the team because of the talent that's available there, plus the fact that there is a lot of the food and ag business that takes place within that region. So definitely that is going to be a location out of which we will build not just our U.S. operations.
Appreciate that.